I'm Cam. I went to college with the bride.
I'm Charlie. I used to date the bride.
Me too. Well, no, I mean, it was a one-time only experimental thing, sophomore year. We were young and drunk.
I actually thought that I could help you, but there's no helping you because you're a common thug. Nobody in the world can help you.
I mean, what's the point? Ain't nobody gonna win. It's just gonna go on and on.
Can't go on forever.
Yeah, but ain't nobody gonna win, so.
Somebody's gonna win.